How's it going, everybody? Moon360 is back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get free books on your Kindle through this app called Libby. Now, I will preface this video by saying that this might only work in the United States. I'm not sure about the libraries in other countries, but this does work in the US if your library supports Libby and is on overdrive. But your mileage may vary depending on location. But for me, this works. So what you want to do is go to your Play Store for Android or iOS, or your App Store for iOS, and then type in Libby, Libby. It's the first result that pops up, Libby by Overdrive, and click Install. It's a 1.76 megabyte file, so it's going to download very quickly. Click Open, and then this should bring up the Libby app. And then it says welcome. So it says first question, do you have a library card? What you want to do is click yes. If you don't have one, just go register for one at your local library. And then you have three options. What we're going to do is we're going to say I'll search for a library. So just click that option and then type in your zip code where you're located to find your nearest library. So for me, that's 06001. Oops, 06001. And then there it is. It brings up my library. I'm going to click on it. And then it says, where do you use your library card? So I'm going to click on my library and then type in my library card number. I'm going to do this off camera for obvious reasons, so I'll be right back. So after you enter your library card number, just click on sign in, and it says, now, okay, you're signed in. Here is your library card. It's Moon's library card, and then just says next. So now you're in the home screen of the Libby app. So from here you can browse collections. There are magazines you can borrow. There are audiobooks you can borrow, and there are, of course, Kindle ebooks you can borrow. So let's say, yes, I'm going to read with Kindle. You can just browse this and play around with it and see what you find. But what I like to do is I like to go up there and click on Explore, and then or also you can just go up there and search for a book you want. So let's say I want to read The Fifth Risk by Michael Lewis, and so just click on The Fifth Risk. That pops up in the search results, and as you can see, The Fifth Risk you can borrow, read sample, or tag. So I'm going to click on borrow, and then just click on borrow again. You can borrow for 7 days, 14 days, or 21 days. So then just click on borrow again to borrow the book. It's really as simple as that. And then just click on open book. You can open with Kindle or Libby. So in this case, we want to choose Kindle because we want to read this on our Kindle device. And then just once, it's going to open up the Amazon website so you can sign into your account and get this transfer the book over. So after you sign into your account, you can get the library book and you can choose where to deliver this book. So I'm going to choose Moon's third Kindle and get book, and it says sending. And then it says this book will appear in your library on your Kindle. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Kindle device, my Kindle Oasis 3, power it on, and see if my book is already there. And there we go. The Fifth Risk by Michael Lewis is already in my library. So it's the first one, new. Click on it, opening, and then there we go. We just borrowed a book, got a book for free from our local public library through the app called Libby. So that's how you get free books on your Kindle. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.